Hello, and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato, and today we're unboxing day 10, which is a fun and different creative project. Here we have day 10. The elves at Mountain Thread Company are helping our elves here at Sallie Tomato to deliver this day's gift for you. Have fun and enjoy creating. Today's items include a 5-yard pack of rope and a free rope bowl pattern from our friends at the Mountain Thread Company. Some members of our team truly love sewing with rope, and we wanted to share this fun new way to create with all of you. This project is perfect for creating stylish, functional rope bowls that can be used around the house. The natural textures and sturdy rope make it a versatile project that's very beginner friendly. We cannot thank the Mountain Thread Company enough for partnering with us on this Advent Box project and creating a helpful tutorial for sewing with rope, plus how to add your own faux leather or cork scraps into the project. We can't wait to see you create something beautiful and practical. We are very excited to open the rest of this year's Advent Box with you, and you can still purchase this year's Advent Box if there are any left in stock on our website. If we are sold out, we've added a link below for you to join the newsletter group so you'll be notified when our 2026 Advent Box releases. Please share and show off photos of your completed project. We would love to see what you're making. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day.